Today on the Goss stand we have the first of the Colorliner CPS towers that is going to DC Thompson up in Dundee in Scotland. This is the second Goss compact press plot platform. Fundamentally, it is a repackaging of the Colorliner FPS, which we have installed on other print sites, but it includes other features from the Uniliner, from the Colorliner 85, from our Sunday presses, our commercial press family, as well as the M600. Autoplate, for example, comes from our existing commercial press range, where we have more autoplating systems than any other manufacturer in the world. But the fundamental aspect of this machine is its compactness. It is short, and it is designed to produce good quality newspapers and semi-commercial products, better than any other product that is on the market today. We designed this machine in such a way that it uses a unique and patented cylinder geometry that has been developed by the Goss engineers in our Nantes facility, which enables us to have a compact design but without having to split the machine. We can load plates, we can load blankets, we can adjust rollers, and we can maintain an extremely good, stable environment for newspaper and semi-commercial products by having openness between all of the four levels. I think this is the key feature of the machine. We've maintained bearer-to-bearer contact on the CPS because this is how many commercial presses are actually constructed. The bearers maintain good cylinder geometry and good cylinder settings, and it means that we don't have to resort on this machine to such technologies as narrow gap blanket cylinders or metal back blankets. We can use conventional blankets, which are far lower cost and reduce the overall operating cost of the machine. Great print quality. Bearer-to-bearer has always given that kind of facility, and we just believe that it is the right way to go for all high quality newspaper and semi-commercial printing machinery. This machine can be installed in existing press halls on an existing bridge structure, and because it doesn't split, it fits into a much more compact space. However, you can easily install it in a greenfield site, either on a ground level with the reel stands at its side, or on a bridge with the reel stands underneath. But the key feature of this machine is the fact that we do not have to provide a very expensive environment to maintain that all-important temperature control within the unit. We have designed it in such a way that air can flow around the cylinders during the 90,000 copy per hour maximum speed that we run this machine at, to ensure that we do not need complex air conditioning systems, complex water supply systems to maintain that environment. We've retained bearers to ensure that the blanket to plate cylinder gap is maintained at all running conditions of the machine. We've maintained conventional blankets, as well as offering a metal back blanket option, but conventional blankets, as we all know, are far lower cost and far more forgiving in a newspaper type environment. Another key aspect of this machine is its future-proofing. Customers today do not know where their newspapers are going. No one can say what the newspaper will look like in 5 years' time. And we've designed this machine that we can add enhanced webs to it at any time. Heat set, UV, any kinds of those processes can be added to this machine at any time in the future. I've talked briefly about the automation. We have autoplate so that we can change over the machine from one edition to another in a matter of minutes, but we can also cope with different web widths of newsprint. So a customer can run, say, a 1500 and a 1550 millimeter web and change over from one web to another at the push of a button. All of the controls are highly automated, everything is preset, and we can also offer this machine with digital inking, which enables a newspaper producer to change from cold set to heat set inks literally at a push of a button from the desk. This machine, as you see it on the stand today, is probably the most sophisticated printing machine in the world today, and we've designed it with newspapers and semi-commercial producers in mind.
Colorliner CPS is a new concept. Compact printing system means compact tower, obviously, with 4 high, low height, but also compact footprint, permitted by no-split arrangement. High print quality is a must. Short nib-to-nib distance to optimize color registration, powerful inker, no-split design provides the best mechanical stability. Ergonomics for production first. Human-machine interface for highly automated function with conveniently positioned touch panels. Direct spray bar access from the elevator. Quick inside view from operating side without elevator use. In terms of maintenance, we do have a new 3-position locket washer allowing blanket change and tissue change without removing the washer. The 3 positions are working position, maintenance position and parking position. In addition, we have all electrical cubicles on drive side and operating side accessible from the floor level. These are some examples of CPS innovation, but it is also important to say that the Colorliner CPS uses proven technologies. I can give you some examples. From FPS, we use oscillating mechanism. From Uniliner, we use semi-automatic plate change, and principles used also on commercial presses for years. We even use Sunday for 1,000 parts.